Connecting to audio. Hi, Mario.
Hi, teacher.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, and you?
I'm fine. Yeah. The weather is a little bit hot, but yes.
Yeah,
Um,
I mean, a little bit, no. It's very hot.
very hot. So, but you are inside or outside taking the class?
Inside.
All right.
Inside with my,
Fan,
I don't know how to say
fan,
ventilador.
fan.
Fan.
Yeah, with your fan on.
Yeah.
Okay. It's
I mean,
because, huh?
all the day I'm in my house because today I do home office. So uh, the weather, it doesn't,
Help.
nah, it doesn't help.
All right. So what about yesterday? What happened?
Uh, I'm gonna be honest. My
Yes.
brother said to me, "Hey, I got some tickets for the game. You wanna go?" And I said, "Okay."
And you went.
And I went. Bad day because we lost 3-0. But
Oops.
yeah, that's the reason.
Okay. But listen, we were just practicing with Lady because she joined. All right. And I checked and we are already registered in the platform. All right. So you have it there so you can start. Yeah. So probably if Lady joins or before she joins, I think that we're going to have like a general review from yesterday's class. Yes.
Okay.
All right. Remember what we did last class?
The enough,
Uh-huh. Yes.
two, not enough, and the comparisons as adjectives.
Yeah. Adjectives. We worked only with adjectives.
I think so. I remember.
Okay. So yesterday we began working with nouns. Yes. I'm a little bit dark here. All right. So let's say class 3. All right. Let's have a general review on class 3. And then we start with the other one. Remember that we have, I haven't shared the playlist. Okay, we have the playlist. I will put it in the WhatsApp group if you're still there.
Yeah, I'm still.
Perfect. And you can check the classes over there because I upload them after the class. So first, we discussed about this. What do you think of this phrase?
It is necessary to learn what we need and not just what we want.
Yeah.
I think, I mean, it's correct because if we only learn just the things that we want, I think we're going to be
Stuck?
stuck. We're going to be stuck in the life, but if we learn about a little bit of everything, we are going to advance more than we can imagine.
Yeah, that's nice. All right. Yeah. Remember that we have to move on, right? And learn things. For example, if you're working for what to say? If you're with working with clients, maybe you need to work English for that. Okay, maybe depends on the area. You need to, yeah. Although some people learn only because they want to learn English, right? No, because they really are gonna use it. All right. Good. And I had, let me see, 2 questions over here, right? Because we changed. Now we're not using adjectives. Yes, we're using nouns. So look at this and tell me, do you think you drink enough water each day?
Yes, I do.
How much?
Right now it's my second battle
Wow. During the day.
during the day. I mean, the battle complete,
But,
but I have some glass of water, like two or
uh-huh.
three in
Yes.
the part of the day. So
Mhm.
yeah, I think I drink enough water.
There you are, right? We have enough. Good. Then what about the other one? Do you think you spend too much time using your cell phone?
I don't think so because
Mhm.
um, in my job I can't use it like for watch TikTok
Mhm.
or I don't know, watch some YouTube videos.
Mhm.
I prefer talk with my friends and talk during the job and obviously doing my job. And
Mhm.
in the night, during the night, well, I think I use like the necessary
Mhm.
just to check my social media, watch
Mhm.
some TikToks, and
Yeah.
that's it.
Okay, so you don't.
No, I don't.
How we can say that you don't. You spend too much time using the cell phone, all right? So look at this. We are using enough. And now we are not using only too. We are going to say too much. All right. And we have here the explanation. Look, we have too many and we have too much. Can you read the definition for too many?
We use too many with countable nouns when there
Mhm.
is more than necessary.
There, when there is more than necessary. So you say too many. It's not too, it's too many. Examples?
There are too many people at markets. Women often have too many clothes.
Mm-hmm.
I cannot choose. There are too many flavors of ice cream.
All right, you see, in this case, I mean, last class, we said big, enough, all right, adjective, and then in that case, too, all right, too big, okay, in this case, it's the same order. Too many, but we are using many with countables, all right? What about too much?
Um, we use too much with uncountable nouns when there is more than necessary.
Mm-hmm. Examples?
I feel sick.
Mm-hmm.
In the city, there's too much pollution.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
My grandma always gives me too much food, and you spend too much time on social media.
Okay, too many and too much. All right, we're gonna focus on that because we practice two plus adjective and now we're gonna work with these two. So tell me something that you think you have too many of.
I have too many t-shirts.
T-shirts.
Yes.
Okay. Mm-hmm. What else?
Um,
Mhm. You can also
I don't.
say there is or there are to talk about the things in your house.
Okay, there are a lot of. No, no, no. There are too many. Too
Mm-hmm.
many. I'm sorry. Uh, I don't know. Too many bottles of water.
Okay, there are too many bottles of water, right? More bottles than the ones you need. That's too
Yeah.
many. All right. Lady was saying that she had too many shoes, imagine. And that she
Um.
had too many chairs in her house. Imagine. Because it's only she and her husband, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What about too much? I have too much free time to play video games. Uh-huh.
I wish, but no.
Uh-huh.
Uh, I have too much.
I don't know. Remember that too much is for uncountable nouns.
Yeah.
Time, water, space.
I don't know. I forget the word to say. Mucho sueño. I
That's
mean, it's
sleep.
not dream.
No, not dream. Sleep.
I have too much sleep.
I have too much. Or I don't have, because they can be negative as well. No.
No,
Sorry, not too much. No. Only positive. Too much. Let's make it easier. If you talk about your city, what is there too much about your city?
I mean, I don't know. I don't know if the word is sleepy.
Is?
Sleepy. Have too much sleepy.
No, sleepy is an adjective.
Okay.
But it's
well, in the city, there are too much pollution.
There is.
There is too much pollution.
What about the noise?
Yeah, there is a lot of too much noise. There is too much cars.
Wait, cars?
There are.
Okay. There are too much or there are too many cars?
Oh, too many.
There you are. Be careful. Countable and uncountable, okay?
Yeah.
Perfect. Good. So that is too many and too much. Then we're going to do a practice on this. After that, we have enough. Remember that we can use enough in the positive and in the negative. Yeah? So can you read?
Yes. We use enough when the amount is satisfactory. You can use it in positive or negative sentence.
Examples?
Examples, I have enough money to travel this weekend. There is enough food for the whole family. That's enough video games for today. Go study.
Go study, right? I have enough money. I have enough of something. Enough is sufficient is a synonym for that. Sufficient. All right. And remember that we're going to focus on this. We already practiced this, and this is a different topic. So tell me something that you think you have enough of. I have enough.
Well, I have to repeat because it's true. I have enough money to travel next weekend.
Next weekend?
Yeah, next weekend.
All right. You have enough money, but do you have enough time?
Yeah, because I had a free day.
Ooh, one free day.
Yeah, Friday.
Friday, next week.
Next week. So I left the country Friday and I come back on Sunday.
Perfect. So where are you going?
Guatemala again.
I imagine.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
It's cheaper.
It's cheaper and it's easier and closer. Yeah? Okay. And they have beautiful things. Yeah, we can visit. All right. Good. Look at this one. Is there enough food in your fridge? Is there enough food?
Yes, there is.
All right. Perfect. And do you have enough time? Let me see. Do you have enough free time on weekends to do what you want?
To do what I want? No, I don't have too much. I don't have enough free time or too much.
No, enough time. That's okay.
Okay.
I don't have enough time. Okay, so that's, remember, we are using too many, too much, enough, and not enough. All right? So what is not enough?
The opposite of too much, too many is not enough. You can use not enough with countable and uncountable nouns.
Okay, now it's different because not enough is for everything, let's say. Examples.
I don't have enough money to buy a house. There isn't enough time to finish the test.
Yes.
There aren't enough drink at this party. Let's take off.
There you are, all right? Good examples. Now, we talked about you have enough. Now, what about not enough? Yeah. In my house, there isn't enough, I don't know, space, probably. There isn't enough space because my house is small, let's say. Yeah. So, what about you?
I don't have enough. I don't have enough jeans and
Enough?
pants. Jeans and pants.
Jeans. Oh, so you have too many shirts and you don't have enough jeans.
Exactly.
All right, so you cannot match them, all right? Excellent. Another thing? Any other thing? One more example.
There isn't enough clean air in the city.
Excellent. There isn't enough clean air because there is too much pollution, all right? We say it in the two ways. Excellent. All right, that's only examples, all right? Now, there is an activity. Look, too much, too many, too enough and not enough. So you are going to help me organize them. Let me see. Yes. Try. In your case, you're from the computer, right?
Right now, no, I'm in the
No.
sofa.
Okay, so I will do it. All right, don't worry. Also was, let me see, is this one. Let's do this, so it's not difficult. Okay, perfect. What am I? Okay, can you see the practice online?
Yeah.
Perfect. All right, so read each sentence, complete it, and tell me where it goes.
I want to sleep all the weekend. I'm too tired.
Yes, there you are. Next.
Wow, there are too many people on the streets.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't drink water. I don't drink enough water. I should drink more.
Excellent.
He spends too much money on gambling. They're too bad at singing.
Right, that was easy.
I used to eat too much chocolate. Although she has diabetes.
Diabetes.
Diabetes. She eats too many sugar.
Are you
No,
sure?
too much.
Too
She eats too
much.
much
No
sugar.
countable.
She puts too many slices of tomatoes on the pizza.
Okay, slices.
I didn't sleep enough last night. That's why I feel tired.
Yes.
He's too lazy to do this kind of job.
Excellent.
I don't think we eat too much protein.
Look,
Not
that's
enough. I don't think we eat enough protein.
protein. That's why we need to take B12 pills. All right, nice. Next,
I had too much work to do last week.
yeah, Uh-huh.
I got late because there were too many cars in the parking lot.
Yeah.
They keep giving too many excuses.
Expert. Uh-huh.
And you're kidding me. This is too good to be true.
This is too good to be true. All right, there you are. Perfect. Let's check. Yeah, I think it's correct. Obviously. All right. Thanks, thanks, thanks. Now, let's see. Let's go back to here. It's class 3, right? Oops. This one. Okay. So, this is from today's class. Yeah. All right. So I will close this one and I will join this one is today. Yeah. So I have some conversations that I want you to help me complete. Okay. I don't have a link. No. Okay, so let's go. All right. Where is it? Here. Oops. All right. Good. This is class 4, let's say. All right. So here I have some conversations that you can help me complete. Remember, I have the summary over here when you use to, when you use too much, too many, enough, and not enough. Okay. So, how many cars are in this city?
It is easy to say that there are too many cars, but there are not enough parking places.
Yes. Continue. That's why.
That's why I don't go to work by car. There is too much traffic,
Yes.
too much traffic lights.
Lights. Check if the
No,
word is singular or plural.
too many.
Yes.
Okay, there is too much traffic, too many traffic lights, and it is too hard to find a parking place.
Excellent. There you are. Now that you have the answers, can you read it again, but faster? Let's work on fluency.
Okay, it is easy to say that there are too many cars, but there are not too much, no, there are not enough parking places. That's why I don't go to work by car. There is too much traffic, too many traffic lights, and it is too hard to find a parking place.
There you are, okay? You're speaking faster. Don't think too much. All right? Then we have next conversation, okay? Go. How much is that phone? It's 300 euros. Oh.
Oh, this is too much. It is too expensive for me. I haven't got too much money to buy it. Do you have a cheaper one? There is this one is only 100. I think it is cheap enough. Perfect. The more expensive one has too many functions. No, yeah, too many functions anyway.
Yeah, there you are, right? Also, but I think that we cannot use too much in negatives. So I haven't got, what do you think? It's a different option.
Not enough money.
I haven't got enough money to buy it. All right, there you are. So look at the other one. How is your coffee?
It's not strong enough and it's too sweet. There is too many sugar in not too much sugar in it. And how how is yours? Mine is too bitter.
Yes.
It doesn't have enough sugar. There aren't there aren't too many places
Mm.
where you can have a good coffee.
Excellent. There you are. Kind of difficult, right? So read it again, but faster. Mhm.
It is not strong enough and it's too sweet. There is enough. No, there
It's
is too
too.
much. I'm sorry.
Uh-huh.
It is not strong enough and it's too sweet. There is too much sugar in it. And how is yours? Mine is too bitter. It doesn't have enough sugar.
Mhm.
There aren't too many places where you can have a good coffee.
There you are. Too many places where you can have a good coffee. Okay, good. And next question. What is the weather like in your country? Mhm.
It's too rainy. There are too many rainy days, and there are not enough sunny days. The weather isn't sunny enough. Here, the weather is too cold in winter, and one needs to put on too many clothes. In summer, it is too hot, and we never get enough rain.
There you are, right? Excellent. Good. All right, that is the description, but can you tell me about the weather in your country? How's the weather in your country? Mhm.
Um, it's crazy.
Uh-huh.
um, it is no, it's
Uh-huh.
too hot
Yeah.
in a period of the year,
Mm-hmm.
and you have to put not enough clothes for
Mm-hmm.
stay stay good.
Or say cool.
And
Uh-huh.
the other part of the year, it's eh, kinda rainy.
Mhm.
Um, you have to put just like one hoodie or sweater and you have to keep an umbrella with you because you don't know
When it will,
when the
it
rain's
will
gonna
fall.
uh fall. Yeah.
Excellent. All right. So you see, you're using the vocabulary, let's say, somehow, to speak and describe. Let me see if I have another one. Yes, I have one more. Look. So, where do you want to go tonight?
I don't know. We don't have too many options.
Mhm.
There are not enough bars in this little town.
Mhm.
I don't want to stay too late anyway, because I have to wake up early and I have too much partying last
There,
week.
there you are, right? Good. Okay, so we're practicing that. Now, after these topics, there is one more topic. Okay, the last one. Remember when we were talking with adjectives, we said as angry as or as fast as, yeah? With the adjective in the center. But right now, no, it's different. You say as much as or as many as. Look, for example, in this case, we have as many classes as necessary, for example. Yeah. And can you read the definition?
As much as many as, when we want to make comparisons referring to quantify, we
Quantity.
use as quantity, sorry, we use as much as with uncountable nouns and as many as with plural nouns.
There you are. The same. As much as uncountables. As many for countables or plurals. All right. Examples.
Greg makes as much money as Mick, but not as much as Neil. They try to give them as much freedom as they can. There weren't as many people there as I expect.
All right. Expected. Expected. Okay. All right. So tell me something that you have as much as in your house.
Let me see.
As much as. Or there
Yeah.
are many. There are as many as. For example, in my house, there are as many bedrooms as persons in my family. Yeah, we are comparing. As many
In
as.
my house, there weren't as many. There weren't as many bathrooms as the people we live. No.
There are as many bathrooms as people in the house. Yeah. So how many persons are there?
We are 5 and there are 2 bathrooms.
You say they weren't.
Yeah, they weren't.
Negative. Okay, yeah, that's okay. Perfect. Good. Let's see. What about as much as? Time, noise.
In my house, there was no. No, in my house, my dog makes as much noise as my neighbor's dog.
Excellent. All right. They make as much noise, the 2 of them. All right. Good. So that is as, or as much as. All right. And remember that in the platform, the topic we have is comparing houses. So here we have an example with as many as and as, describing 2 living rooms. So what do you say? Can you read?
The second living room has as many plants as the first living room. The first living room, it just as nice as the second living room.
So you can see over here, okay, we are talking about objects, things, etc. And here we're talking about characteristics. All right. So can you give me a couple of examples like this? Compare the 2 living rooms.
This first living room has many pillows as the second living room.
All right, can you repeat?
The first living room has many pillows as the second living room.
The first living room has many pillows as the second one or second living room. One word is missing. Let's check. One word is missing.
Has.
The verb. All right. This is like a long structure. Yeah. As many object as. Okay, perfect. Now tell me about a characteristic of the 2 living rooms for you. Positive or negative?
The first living room doesn't has no
Ouch. Living room doesn't
has doesn't has as a TV
doesn't has.
the television.
Oh, as many maybe, if you're talking about that, because we have to use the structure.
Okay, has as many televisions as the second, well, yeah, the second living room.
Second one, you can say second one, not to repeat. Okay, good. But there is one grammar problem. What do you think?
Hasn't.
When we have the auxiliary, all right, remember that the verb doesn't change. So, doesn't? Has?
Have?
Doesn't
No.
have. Yeah, that's the correction. Perfect. Okay, let's see. Pillows and TVs. Those are nouns or common words. Now, tell me an adjective about the two bedrooms. For example, the first living room is as big as the second one. Another characteristic.
The second living room is just colorful.
Yeah, it's
No, it's just as colorful as the first one.
As the first one, all right? There you are, perfect. Using characteristics also, okay? Another characteristic. You can say big, spacious, modern. We're going to check the vocabulary.
The second living room. No. The first.
Okay.
I think the first living room. It doesn't have as nice view or a view. Doesn't have as a view as the second one.
As the second one. I'm not sure about that. The first living room doesn't have, in that case it's different. As doesn't have, oh my God.
I think a nice view.
Doesn't have a nice view. As the second one. All right. Yeah. I'm just thinking because of the countable and uncountable. Doesn't have a nice view as the second one. Yeah, I think it's like this one. In this case, it's not as. Doesn't have a nice view as the second one. Okay. In this case, we cannot say as. Okay, it's like this. Only like this. Okay. Good. Any questions?
No.
No? All right. Let's see. Let's hope everything is clear. Okay. So let me see if I have it. Oh, yeah. So when we're talking about houses or about rooms, there is some vocabulary we can use, some adjectives. Okay. So we have private, spacious, modern, quiet, safe, and cramped. Okay. Let's try to match with them, with the pictures. Yeah. What do you think is the first photo? What do you think is the first photo?
First, cramped.
Oh, and what is the meaning of cramped or a synonym?
Small.
Okay, small. Yes, there you are. Ah, the second one is very easy.
Quiet. No.
Quiet.
Yeah, quiet.
Next.
Private.
Private can be, but
No,
no.
safe. Safe.
Next.
Modern,
Yeah.
spacious, and private.
Private. Private.
Private.
Private. It's private. Okay, there you are. Good. So, do you consider your house or your bedroom cramped or not?
Maybe my bedroom because I share with my brother.
Okay.
So we don't have a lot of space.
Enough.
No, we don't have enough space.
There you are. Okay, so you feel cramped. Okay, I think that we talked about your city, right? Is it quiet or noisy?
My city.
Neighborhood, yeah, your neighborhood. Where you live?
Depends. During the day, it's too many. No, there are too much noise.
There is.
No, there is too much noise.
And
the night, it's too quiet.
Ah, okay, there you are. Remember that when you're talking about night, you say at. Only that. Oops. Ah, okay, good. What about your city? Is it safe?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it modern, your house or apartment? You said?
No, house.
It's a house, right? So your house, do you consider it's modern?
No. No, it's not modern.
Okay. Your bedroom is cramped, but what about your house? Is it spacious? Depends.
Yes, it's spacious.
Spacious, okay. How many rooms are there?
4.
4. All right. Do you have a garden or a jar?
Nah, I mean a little jar.
Space. A little jar. There isn't too much space, probably, for it.
I mean, just for breathe, yeah.
What?
Yeah, for breathe. For like the I don't know how to say. Como aire libre.
Fresh air.
Fresh air. For have fresh air, yes.
For having fresh air. Okay. And is it private?
No.
It's not. All right. Good. So look, this is some vocabulary, okay, that we can use with talking about cities, or in this case, houses or rooms. Okay, can you read the vocabulary just for pronunciation?
Cramped, quiet, safe, modern, spacious, private.
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 That is the one. Okay, so knowing that, let's work on this. It says, imagine you are looking for a house or for an apartment to rent. Yeah, we have 2 different ads and we have to check the opinions of each using the given words. All right. So can you read the characteristics of the first one?
A spacious modern house. 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, very private, in quiet suburb, 2-car garage, 1,500 per month.
Per month. Okay. When you have these type of numbers, okay, you can say 1,500, 1,600 when they have 2 zeros. Okay?
Okay.
When they have two zeros, you can say 100. Yeah? All right. What about the smaller apartment?
Smaller apartment, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, downtown, near subway, 1 parking space, 900 per month.
Okay, so without the sentences, not the sentences. Tell me, how can we compare the two places?
The first house is more as no. No, in the first house they ask too many money.
Money is not countable, so it's too much.
Okay, too much money. Ask the second one.
Okay. Sometimes we can only say in the first one, let's say they ask for too much money.
Okay.
What about the bedrooms?
In the second one, it's more. No, it's too
There are.
cramped.
It's too cramped. Can be too cramped. Okay. What about the difference? It has 2 bedrooms and the other has 3. So there aren't. You can use this, okay, as much as many also. You can use that. So 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms. What is the difference?
The second.
Hey, wait. Sorry. Doesn't have, maybe?
Doesn't have as much space. No, as many space.
No,
Or
that's
much.
okay. That's okay.
Yeah, as much space as the first one.
Yes, there you are. Doesn't have as much space. Good. Another thing. When be quiet, look, this is the subway, near the subway. And this is in a quiet suburb. So?
The first, no, yeah, the first one, or no, the second one have as much noise as the first one.
All right. If you're saying as much noise as, it's because the 2 of them are noisy. Maybe in this case, you can say isn't as quiet. Look at my example. The second apartment, the apartment is, right? Because the other is a house. The apartment isn't as, what do you think?
The apartment isn't as much, no, as quiet as the house.
Okay, yeah, be careful. Let's wait. Be careful with this. The apartment isn't as quiet as. When you're talking about a characteristic, you only says as, adjective as. Now, when you're talking about an object or thing, a noun is different. Look, 2-car garage and 1 parking space. What do you say? Always the apartment.
The apartment doesn't have much.
Doesn't have as. If we're
As
comparing.
much
Excellent.
space as the house.
Excellent. There that is the difference. All right. That is the difference. Oops. Yeah. There you are. Remember, as, adjective, as much, noun, as. All right. Give me another one with adjective. We can say spacious. We can say expensive. Also, you can say expensive. Oh, I think that we can always start with the apartment. So? Use this one.
The apartment isn't as expensive as the house.
As expensive as the house. Isn't as, right? In negative.
Yes.
Excellent, there you are. The apartment isn't as expensive as the house. Okay, okay, good. Let's leave the examples over there and let's go with the ones we have in here. Number 1. Look, there are only a few windows or there aren't. I'm giving you the answer. So use not enough. How would you say with not enough?
There are not enough windows.
There aren't enough windows, so there are not enough. Good. Number 2.
It's too bright. Yeah, it's too bright.
It's too bright. Yeah. Number 3.
It has.
Yeah.
No, it has not enough bathrooms.
Okay. It has not enough. Bathrooms. Okay. How do you say this in negative?
It hasn't.
That is perfect now. Present.
It doesn't has enough bathrooms.
Doesn't has?
Enough bathrooms.
Okay. Have, remember? Have. Because you have doesn't, this is in the original form. All right? So it doesn't have enough bathrooms. Good. Number 4.
It's too convenient. Convenient.
Look, it's not convenient enough. In negative. It's not.
It's.
Maybe you can put it here.
It's not too convenient.
Convenient. There you are. It's not too convenient. All right. You're using a different one. Number 5.
It's not too spacious.
It's not too spacious. All right. Number 6.
It's not enough. No, it's.
Yeah.
Old enough.
Yeah, old enough. Adjective before enough. It's not old enough. 7.
It isn't. It isn't too safe.
It isn't too safe. And 8.
And there's only.
Hey, we said that one. You can make it negative. There is.
There's. I forgot. There's doesn't.
Is in the negative. Is in the negative.
There isn't
There isn't?
enough parking space.
There isn't enough parking space. There you are. Oof. Okay. So remember, we're using the vocabulary to compare houses, to compare rooms. Okay. So we're going to continue with this next class. If Janie joins, because she brought in the group. Okay. She's still working. Okay. Any questions about the topic? We need practice, practice, practice.
No, just practice.
So try to complete the platform when you have enough time to do it. Yeah? Yeah?
Okay.
Because there are like 4 or 5 lessons, so you can complete already with these 3, 4 classes. So, if we don't have questions?
No.
No. All right. I hope that everything is clear, that you practiced enough, right? And see you on...
Monday.
No, I had to tell you. No, we are not going to have classes on Monday. All right? We're going to have classes until Tuesday. Yes?
Okay.
So maybe I will send Lady a message. So no classes on Monday?
I can...
Tell her.
Yeah, I can tell her tomorrow.
Perfect, perfect. So tell her, no classes on Monday, but Tuesday. Always at 7. Thank you.
Okay, teacher. Bye.
Okay.
Good night.
So bye, Mario. Have a very good night. Bye-bye. All right.